Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. You must be signed into the device and able to receive two-factor codes. If not, request account recovery now. Once you have the device passcode and any trusted phone or email available, open Settings or System Preferences and tap your name. Make sure to note if the account shows as no longer exists. Then proceed to sign out, choosing to keep a local copy of data if prompted. You now perform the core removal steps while handling obstacles. If you know the password, tap Sign Out and enter it. Choose to keep data locally so nothing is lost. If the password is unavailable, use Forgot Apple ID or password and follow Recovery or Start Account Recovery. This can take days. Once signed out, reboot the device and verify iCloud and Find My are disabled. Make sure to copy important settings and screenshots for support requests. You finish by erasing and confirming removal, then handle any final hurdles. After signing out, back up any kept data and choose Erase all content and settings to remove lingering links to the old Apple ID. This clears activation locks if you signed out properly. If account recovery did not complete, gather purchase receipts, device serial number, and ID, then contact Apple support. Request activation lock removal and provide evidence. If support requires waiting, keep logs and follow their timelines to avoid repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.